and the sound room. I want to share this with you. You've noticed probably that we have 4 examples of different sounds in this playlist, but these actually can be used with these little lessons that are available in my store site. So if you take a look at the Experiencia Sonora, we've got one for emociones, and then we have another one for la imaginación. So these are created for anybody who wants to support their students with social emotional learning, as well as maybe taking like a brain break. These can be used in dual language classrooms. Bilingual educators may appreciate these little lessons. I'll be adding more to my store, and then simultaneously I will add more videos to this playlist. So go ahead and take a look around, or come back to my shop.elpuentebilingüe.com store and you can find more information. So, gracias por visitar a mi sitio y bienvenidos a la sala de sonidos.